We want to differentiate y is equal to x cubed times log 3x. This type of function is a product. It's of the form y is equal to u times v, where u and v are functions of x. In this case, dy dx is v times du dx plus u times dv dx. Here we're going to identify u is equal to x cubed and v is equal to the log of 3x. We now need du dx, which is 3x squared, and for dv dx we need to use the chain rule. We differentiate the outside function, treating the inside function as just x, so we get 1 over 3x, and then multiply by the differential of the inside function. The 3's cancel, giving us 1 over x. So dy dx is going to be equal to v du dx, so we get 3x squared times log 3x plus u times dv dx. X cubed times 1 over x gives x squared. We have now differentiated, but we might just tidy by taking out the common factor of x squared, giving us 3 log 3x plus 1.